Hello friend, welcome to my channel 5 Minute Pediatric. Today let's approach to CSF report in a unique way. Okay, so if we get a CSF report, so first we look for CSF glucose level. Okay, if it is normal, then we have two common differential, that is viral meningitis or encephalitis, viral meningoencephalitis, and other we get syphilis or in acute stage or leptospirosis meningitis. Okay, how we can differentiate in between two? So we have to go for PCR of the CSF for further diagnostic purpose, and in syphilis we have to go for direct field microscopy. Now suppose we get normal sugar decreased. Now how before doing lumbar puncture, take the blood sugar. Okay, if the CSF glucose is less than 50% of the blood glucose, we consider it decreased. Okay, if it is decreased, then next step we look for type of WBC, whether it is neutrophil or lymphocyte predominance. If there is a neutrophil predominance, we consider it acute bacterial meningitis. In every case, we see there is increased CSF protein. The value may be varies from viral or bacterial or fungal. In all the cases, we can see there is increased protein. So it is very difficult to differentiate between on that basis. And if we get predominance of neutrophil, the case should be considered as bacterial, acute bacterial meningitis. We have to go for gram staining. Okay, and if we get lymphocytic predominance, then we have three common differential, that is partially treated meningitis, bacterial meningitis, tubercular meningitis, and third one we have fungal meningitis. Okay, we can differentiate in these two conditions on the basis of cell. In TBM, the lymphocyte usually less than 1000, but in partially treated meningitis we can get more than 1000 cells. Okay, further we can go for gram staining and culture. In TBM we have to go for acid fast staining, bacilli, and PCR CSF. Okay, in fungal meningitis again we have to go for culture, and for we have to go for cryptococcal antigen. So this is the simple approach. You can easily identify which one is bacterial, which one is partially treated, and which one is viral meningitis. Hope so enjoyed this video. Kindly like, subscribe, and follow my channel. I am available on Facebook and YouTube. Thank you.